Hello Creative Crafty Lovely, and welcome to my channel. This is just a project share, and I would want to say this is not my original idea. This actually came from Nicole, whose channel is Vagabond Crafter. And so let me show you the project that I wanted to share. So this is I guess a sleeve, and what's housed in here is a pillbox. And so this is for a swap that I'm doing on Facebook, and I decided to go with the theme of mermaids. And right here it says, although I should have backed it up with white cardstock, but well, once it's on there, I couldn't rip it off. I tried to do it very carefully, but it just would not come, and I didn't want to ruin it. And so right here it says mermaid in training, and it does have a lot of shimmer or foil on it. And then this has some trim right there, or some bling, and that came from the Dollar Tree. And then this right here set came from Hobby Lobby. And then so here's my pillbox. My pillbox is a little bit different than the one she has. I couldn't find the one that she used from the Dollar Tree, but I was able to find this one right here from Walmart, and it does have all the compartments. And then again, went along right here with the bling trim, and then right here it says inspire. And when you open it up, I'll just show you real quick what is in all of these little compartments here. And I did have a little bit of some time, just trying to get this to match up, because if you notice, they are kind of angled like this. So I wanted to keep that showing because it's not flat. If it would have been flat and I would have found the right one, it would have been a lot easier, but oh well, it is what it is. So right here I have some little rosettes, super tiny ones. And then right here I have some of the bling like this. And then right here I have some ribbon, and it is the shell. There we go. And then here I have a sequence mix, and it's just in the colors of the this paper right here. And then right here I have some rolled flowers that are all in the colors again of the paper. And then I have some beads. And then right here I have these super tiny little bows, and inside there's a little gem right there. So this is what it's going to be going out to my partner. And I will include the tutorial that Nicole had. That way, if you do happen to have that pillbox and want to turn it into an embellishment box for someone, you can definitely do that. And let me slide this back in, but I just wanted, and it goes like that, and it's housed nice and tight in there. So I just wanted to share that. Thank you so much for watching, and I do hope that you are having a crafty day. Bye.